The DICE DS and DM models are offered with a lockout option. This option allows you to lock any of the ball valves in either the opened or closed position. This ensures a safe environment by preventing any valve operation during the lockout period. In this example, we will be locking the injection outlet ball valve in the closed position. Start by closing the injection outlet ball valve. Then insert the lockout cable into the ball valve handle. The ball valve handle is now locked in the closed position. Use the cable locking device to secure the cable and insert your personal lock. To remove the lockout, simply follow this procedure in reverse order.